Fresh blackcurrants are infused in sugar, cinnamon, and vodka and stored for months before ready to cheer at Christmas. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blackcurrant and cinnamon liqueur. Now I actually started out this liqueur in the summer when blackcurrants were growing wild in my backyard. I harvested some of them and I put it in a bottle and allowed it to ferment, so I'm going to enjoy it for Christmas. This is a great recipe. You may not be able to get it done in time for Christmas. However, you can plan ahead for next Christmas. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. I'm going to start with 2 cups of washed blackcurrants. In this recipe, the stems and the leaves help in the fermentation process, so it saves me the trouble of taking these off. I'm also going to add 1 cup of sugar, 10 white peppercorns, and I'm going to throw in 2 2-inch sticks of cinnamon. Finally, I'm going to add 3 cups of vodka. Put a lid on this and store it in a cool, dark place for a month. Through the month, give this a gentle shake. After a month, I'm going to strain everything and I'm going to discard the fruit, the peppercorns, and the cinnamon. I'm going to pour this back into a clean jar and I'm going to store this in a cool, dry place for another 3 to 5 months for the flavor to intensify till Christmas time. You'll notice that the liqueur starts to change color and it has a strong and intense flavor. And this is ready to cheer with. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for blackcurrant and cinnamon liqueur. It's really going to kick up my holidays and it's going to make all of my friends and family very, very happy. If you love this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these amazing recipes as well. And don't forget to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there, so make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, happy holidays. Take care. Bye.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.